Welcome back to my channel Kashish Khan Classes. Today I will be covering section 9 subsection 3 and section 9 subsection 4 of CGST Act. Before coming into that section, it would be very easy to learn that section if we get to know the difference between forward charge mechanism and reverse charge mechanism. Now, forward charge mechanism is a mechanism which has been generally been followed by the supplier, where if as a recipient get a goods or a service which is termed as a supply and in return pay goods, in that case the supplier become liable for payment of taxes and entire compliance of GST comes under the head of the supplier. On the other hand, there are some of the specified goods or services by the council where the tax is paid by reverse charge mechanism. Now, what is reverse charge mechanism? This is a mechanism where the recipient who is taking the service of goods or service and supplier, the person who is liable to make the supply, in that scenario the recipient is liable to pay the tax to the government, and in this case recipient is liable for all the compliance under GST Act. Summing up all the entire thing in a one single line is a forward charge mechanism where supplier is liable to pay the tax, and reverse charge mechanism where recipient is liable to pay the taxes and for all the entire compliance of GST. Now, let's see what's there in section 9 subsection 3. It is on notified goods or services only. Now, under this section 9 subsection 3, the recipient is liable to pay the taxes, and section 9 subsection 4 is applicable where supplier is unregistered and recipient is the registered person. In this scenario, the recipient is liable to pay the taxes. Now, the difference between section 9.3 and section 9.4 is that the payment of tax under section 9.3 for under reverse charge mechanism is applicable irrespective of the fact whether the supplier is registered or not and the recipient is registered or not. In this scenario, the liability to pay the tax is ultimately fallen upon recipient. On the other hand, section 9 subsection 4 indicates that the recipient is liable to pay the tax only if when the recipient is registered and the supplier is unregistered. Now, this is the conditional where this is the mandatory. If you like the video and want to watch further videos of this channel, then please like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.